Assalamu alaikum, dear guys. Today I'll show you a new product. It's called the baking tools of kitchen. The silicone cream spatula, non-stick butter spatula, or heat-resistant kitchen baking tools, or die cake baking tools. Now I will tell about this product. This is a review from me, and I think within the best baking tools, it's one of best baking tools. This spoon is really very rigid, and here is the description of this product. You can see here the specifications. The material is silicone. It is made of silicone. Its feature is baking U0026 pastry, baking pastry spatulas, and the main description is here. It's made of a high quality silicone metal, soft texture, heat-resistant temperature up to 230 degrees, strong flexibility, not easy to deform. I think it's the best features of this product because it's a heat resistant up to 230 degrees, and it's comfortable grip, all inclusive silicone handle, ergonomic design, long-term grip, not easy to get right. So double-sided radial design, right hand rounded corners feature all kinds of pots and pans. Scraping more cleanly. Material is high quality silicone material, and size is small, 21 into 4 centimeter. That's used for 30 grams, and large is 28 into 5 centimeters. That is capable of 60 grams. It has many colors: the green, pink, gray, black, red. And here is the photo of this product. There are 11,163 customer reviews. If you want to see the reviews or see the product or want to buy the product, please click on the link below the video. Thank you for watching the videos.